Alright guys, let me quickly take you through how you can create a private wallet for your assets. This is very important, right? You need to have a private wallet for your asset instead of storing your assets in your exchange, right? Because if anything happens to the exchange, then your asset is gone as well, right? So it's important that you have a private wallet whereby you have a total control over it. Alright, so let's just see how you can do that. Now, there are some wallets I want to recommend to you. First of all, I want to recommend Trust Wallet, MetaMask, and Phantom Wallet. Before you start going to other wallets, please start with three. Alright, you can start with the three, and from there you can now start thinking of going to other wallets or what of you, right? At the same time, um, you know, the best way you can actually store your cryptocurrency is actually through a cold wallet. All right. Now, what do I mean by cold wallet? Cold wallet is a wallet that is not bit connected to the internet. With this wallet, nobody on earth can have access to your assets, right? Even with this private wallet I'm talking about, it can easily be hacked. People can actually hack it, right? There are so many ways by which people can hack it. I'm not going to go into that now, but people can easily hack it as long as it's still online. But the only way people cannot hack your wallet is going to be when it is offline and nobody can have access to it. And it does not have access to the internet, right? So that's when nobody can have access to your or can hack your wallet, right? But you can think of having a cold wallet when you have a lot of assets that you want to save or you want to keep for the future. Then you can now think of having a cold wallet, right? So for now, you can make do with hot wallet. Hot wallet is actually a private wallet that I'm talking about, right? So let's get into getting one of the hot wallets like Trust Wallet, right? Phantom Wallet and MetaMask. Those are three I've actually recommend for now. So let's just get into it right away. So I am in my Play Store now. So I want to search for Trust Wallet. So just go and look for Trust Wallet, right? Trust Wallet. So this is it. I want to believe you can see it on my screen, right? You can see the rating, right? 4.4. It shows you that people are rating it very high. So just click on install. Let's quickly install it right away. So once it has been installed like this, you see open, right? Just click on open. Let it open the wallet. All right. So once that is done, then it will bring you to this interface where you see create a new wallet or already have a wallet. Now, once you create Trust Wallet, they'll give you 12 security keys. Please don't give it to anybody. Anybody give that 12 security words or 12 security keys, they will have access to your wallet. Now, if they want to have access to your wallet, just come to already have a wallet. All they need to do, just enter the key, your wallet will just open. That's all. And once it opens, then they can actually withdraw your asset. It's very simple. So please keep it to yourself and yourself alone. No matter how trust the person, please don't release it to anybody. All right. So now let's move on. Like I said earlier, already have a wallet simply means you want to use that your 12 security words, right, or 12 security keys to use and log into your already existing wallet, right? So now what do? You now click on create new because you don't have wallet already. So I don't know if you can see this screen. You might not see this particular screen, right? because I want to create a password. So what they ask you here for you to create your password that you're going to be using, right? About 6-digit number. So let me just quickly fix it. So they'll ask you to confirm again. Just enter the same one, right? So once you've done that, it automatically creates, open it this way, right? So once it takes you to this place, you see where they say buy cryptocurrency, deposit cryptocurrency, right? So now you can skip because you don't want to do that for now. You just want to create a wallet, just keep it. Then you have your wallet, right? So this is your wallet now. And there's something I want us to take note of. There's something I want us to take note of. This is very, very important, right? So now they did not give us that option for us to create that security keys when we're trying to create a wallet. Now, how do you get the security keys? Because this is very important. This is like the key to your wallet. Now, if you don't have that security keys and you mistakenly misplace your phone, right, you can never have access to your wallet again. Nobody can help you. Please take note of this. Nobody on earth can help you if you don't have access to those security keys. And how do you actually get the security keys? You see where they say main wallet, click on it, right? Once you click on it, you see main wallet 1, all right? You click on these 3 dots. Once you click on these 3 dots, you see where they say secret phrase backup, secret phrase backup, right? You see where they say Google Drive backup now. You can see where they say manual backup. So I want to go with manual backup so that I can copy it and keep it very safe. So just click on it. So click this one and click on continue. So you can see, I don't know if you can see it now. Once you do that, you see that the security phrase is going to be shown on your screen. You might not see it because of Trust Wallet security stuff, so you might not see it. So let me just quickly copy it down. Once you successfully copied it like the way I've just done now, you just go to continue. I believe you will not be able to see this particular part, right? So what you need to do for you to click on continue, then check they said word 1 for you to select one, which was what. Let me check what was the first word. That's absurd. So you just select absurd. Then they say word 4, which one was number 4? 1 2 3 4. That's Mary. So click on Mary. Then word 7, which one was 7? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. That's feature. Click on feature. Word 10, which one was 10? So let me check. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Mango. So just click on mango and click on confirm. Right, you can see that manual backing has been activated, right? So you can just go back. So you have successfully created a wallet. If you are using MetaMask or you are using Phantom, you now have to start looking for a way to get those phrases, right? As you are doing your registration, right, as you continue, you just see where they say, oh yeah, you just see where they say copy your phrase out, yeah, right? You just copy it out and put it back and confirm it, and that's all, right? So it's actually very, very simple, right? So another thing is that once you've opened your wallet, now how do you actually get the cryptocurrencies you need to work with? As it is now, the wallet just looks empty, right? You just come to manage crypto. Right, once you click on manage crypto, you just come here and toggle this button on. Let's say you want to bring in BTC, just toggle it on. You want to bring in Ethereum, right? You want to bring in Solana, just toggle it. You want to bring in Doge, toggle it as well. All right, you want to bring in Tron, toggle it as well. If you don't find, let's say Sui as well, toggle it. I want the blinking tone, toggle it. If you can't find the particular one you are looking for, you can just come to search and search for it. Which one should I search for? Let me say I'm searching for XRP. Right, you can see it, you just toggle it on, then go back to your wallet. Right, once you go back to your wallet, you can see all of them here. Right, and if you want to actually move your cryptocurrency from here to anywhere, I want to send your cryptocurrency from wherever you are sending from to this wallet. Let's assume that you want to send BTC. You just come to BTC and click. Right, once you click on BTC, you now go to receive. Click on receive. Once you click on receive, you see the wallet here. You just click on copy, then take it to that where you want to send from, then do the same thing that we did yesterday. Right, you just send it and it will appear here. Right, so if it's, let's go and check other ones. Let's take, for instance, you want to send, there's no USDT here, so let's make sure that we have USDT. So USDT, right, so you just toggle it on. Right, you can see that you have a lot of network here, so let's toggle which one, Tron as well. Right, so let's go back, let's look for USDT. So in Trust Wallet, if you want to actually get different network here, you have to make sure that you toggle them on one after the other. Right, so now let's say USDT Ethereum network. Right, so you just come to receive, and from here you now copy the wallet address, copy it, then take it to wherever I want to send it from. Right, and go and click on deposit from there. Then you see, you select the same network the way we did yesterday. Right, selecting the same network, then go ahead and send your cryptocurrency and it will appear here. So that is all for this video. So please like and subscribe to this channel. Please like and subscribe to the channel, so that when we are bringing vital information like this, right, you can always have access to them and also help us to grow. Right, thank you so much for doing that in advance, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.